Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. So the question is an assertion reason type question. So the question says assertion A, electron has higher mobility than a hole in semiconductor. Reason R says mass of electron is less than the mass of hole. Now let us first revise the key concept behind this question. So the first key concept behind this question is mobility, which is denoted by mu, is given by velocity of particle upon electric field applied. Okay, so mobility is the ratio between velocity and electric field. So the higher the velocity in a given electric field, the higher is its mobility. Now, the second key concept is this is tested or this is scientific observational data that mass of electron is less than mass of hole. So this is what we must keep in our mind. So keeping these two concepts in our mind, let's check the solution part. So in solution part, we already know that mass of electron is less than mass of hole. So reason is already true because mass of electron is less than mass of hole. So reason is true. And let's check assertion. So for assertion, as we know that for a given electric field, if the mass of electron is less than mass of hole, then the velocity of electron will be greater than velocity of hole. For a given electric field, as mass increases, the velocity decreases. So mobility of electron will be equal to velocity of electron upon electric field, and mobility of hole will be equal to velocity of hole upon electric field. Now, mobility is directly proportional to velocity, hence the mobility of electron will be greater than mobility of hole. So, let's check assertion. Assertion says electron has higher mobility than a hole in a semiconductor. So assertion A is also true, and being the mass of electron is less than hole is the main reason behind the mobility of electron is less than hole. Hence the reason explains the assertion correctly. Hence reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now let's check the options. So option A says both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Hence option A is correct because R is the correct option explanation of A. Hence A is the correct option to this solution. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.